In this video, you're going to learn how to purchase your Canva Pro account by yourself. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to come to canva.com. Just search for canva.com, canva.com, and the page is going to load. And this is how your page is going to look like for the first time. And if you're using your mobile phone, sometimes it can ask you some few questions just to get some survey. I'm going to accept all cookies because I want my browser to load faster. So I'm just going to sign up. Okay, sign up means you don't have an account. Login means you have an account. You want to continue to work. So I'm just going to click on sign up because I don't have an account here. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. You can sign up with a Facebook or your email. This is my email, graphicdesign@gmail.com. Okay, I have an account that is already subscribed, but I'm going to subscribe again with this account so that I can show you the process. I'm just going to continue with this. And Yola, new account. Is it new account? Oh, I've used it before. Okay, I can't even remember. But that is not the point here. The point here is how we're going to do our subscription. So I'm going to start here, say start your free trial. Okay, you can start your free trial by just clicking on this and you're going to go through the sign up process. Let me go back. You can use the Canva Pro, the Canva Business. These are the difference. Canva Pro, look at what you get. Canva Business, look at what you get. So I prefer the Canva Pro. So I'm just going to click on sign it. And if you want the free trial, it's going to give you 30 days free trial, which is 0 naira. But if you want to go for the monthly, it's going to be 5,000 naira per month. This is after your first 30 days, you're going to be charged this. If you're going for yearly, after your first 30 days, you're going to be charged this. So this is going to be charged yearly. After the first year, you're going to be charged this amount again. I'm in Nigeria, that's why this amount is showing. If you're in any part of the world, it's going to be different depending on the currency you're using there. Okay. So this is going to be monthly. If it's monthly, it means every month I'm going to pay 5,500. If it's yearly, it means every year I'm going to pay this amount. Okay, the yearly is quite cheaper because you're going to be saving like 22,000 naira. This is for the recurring. But say you want to purchase one time, you can actually switch here, which is weekly and daily. You can subscribe for 400 naira per day, or you can subscribe for 1,100 naira per week. So it depends on what you want. Let's say I want to subscribe because I want to show you the process of doing the one time. The one time only allows you to make transfer or use your card to pay one time, no recurring payment. But if you are here, it's going to ask you to put your card detail. For instance, it's going to ask you to put your card because this is the card they are going to be charging once your subscription has expired. They are going to automatically take this money from this account, your card detail that you're going to put here. So that it depends on what you want. But I want the one time because I just want to show you the process, and I want to pay for 1 day because I want to give you an example. Okay, so I'm just going to click next and I'm going to make a bank transfer or a credit card. I prefer bank transfer, and I'm just going to continue. And let me pull up my phone here so that I can make the payment. So just to show you an example. Okay, I'm not really going to use this account. I just want to show you an example with this because I want you to see the process, because sometimes people can be scared of making payment online. Okay, and so this is the detail that they want me to pay the account to, pay the money into. So I'm just going to pull up my phone. You're not going to see this, but I'm going to transfer 400 naira to this account number that you are seeing here. So just give me a few seconds and I'll be done. So I'm using my OPay. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, I know what I'm using. You can use any account that you have. So I'm making a bank transfer now. So I'm just going to type in that number, 15 25 093 197. Okay, I'm going to select the bank. That's Paga. I'm selecting that, and it's showing the beneficiary as Canva. That's correct. So I'm just going to type 400 naira. Okay, I'm going to make it as purchase, and I'm paying right now. So let's see if it's going to go through. And I'm paying. So this is just going to take some time, and they're going to confirm if the payment is true. I've already made the payment, and now we are in. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's as simple, very simple as that. Okay, so that's it for this video. We are in now. We have our Canva Pro and we can use it for our design. So thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you in the next video. Just before I go, okay, for those of you that are using your smartphone, you may not get it as straightforward as this. So what you can do is to go to canva.com/pricing. It's going to take you to the same place, canva.com/pricing. Okay, on your mobile phone, this is what you are to do. Use your mobile, and it's going to take you to this page. So what you simply need to do is to select let me show you. Okay, I just want to show you how this entire thing works. So I have to pull up my phone. One of my subscription does ran out, which is daily, because I've done this recording before, so it expired while I was trying to edit the video. It ran out, so I have to like, okay, just make the recording on my phone so I can show you the entire process on your phone. So you go to canva.com/pricing, which I've told you, take you here. Okay, so you switch between both here, the monthly. So just be on the monthly. If you want to do exactly what I did on the recurrent, and click on this start free trial. Okay, now it's going to open a new page. Now it's on this page that you can now switch between recurring or not reoccurring. Okay, my network is bad, so just give it some seconds and to come up. All right, now that we are here, now you can see that at the top here, you can see we have recurring and one time. This part here, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can plug my mic. I mean my keyboard. So on the top here now you can see recurring and one time. So if you want to do the free trial, then you can now click next. But if you don't want to do the free trial, now you can click one time. Okay, now you can choose anyone. You can say one day and you can click next, and it's going to give you the account. Now this is going to be generated for you alone. Okay, so what you get here once it open, it's not something you're going to pay for another account. It's basically for this email that you're using to sign in, and the time out is approximately 60 minutes or 1 hour for you to make that payment until it expires. What it simply means is the account number that is generated varies. Okay, if you pay when the countdown has passed, it means your money has gone because it's not linked to this account anymore. So what happened is once this account details is generated, couldn't load your the contact or support. I don't know why. Okay. Let's go back and let's try again. Let's click on one day. Let's try it again. My network is quite bad this evening. Okay. Okay, now we have it. Okay. I'm just going to click on bank transfer, just the way we saw it on the desktop. Okay, and it's going to generate the account that I'm to pay into. Okay, that's what I was saying. Let's give it some time. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Now you see whatever that has been generated here will only last for 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Started counting down. So you have to pay this into this account, and this is the beneficiary. Make sure this shows, because if it doesn't show, that means whatever you are using here, you've typed it wrongly. Okay, and this account will change. I don't know. If you check the first video, I guess the account is different from this. I don't know, but I guess so. It's supposed to be, and this transfer at this moment is linked to your account. So always make the transfer within this period. Okay, even though this page closes, okay, your payment will still be valid because it will be linked to your email address. I don't know how to do it, but the web developer should know. But that's just something you should know. So once you make this payment now, this page is going to go out and it's going to take you to your previous page, which is this one. Okay, and it's going to go away. So that's basically it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.